Hello everyone and welcome to From Preserved Dal Chawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious dish from Baripada of Odisha. This is called Mudhi Mansa. This is basically murmura mixed with mutton curry and this is served with a delicious side chutney and this tastes so good. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first let's prepare the masala for mutton. In a blender jar take 1 stick cinnamon, 1 green cardamom, 2 cloves and 8 to 10 black peppercorns. Also add 1 inch ginger, cloves from 1 garlic, 1 onion and 1 dried red chilli. Blend and make a paste. Keep it aside. Now heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add 3 half-cut potatoes. You can also skip potatoes if you want. In Odisha, potatoes are common in every curry. That's why I have added them. Saute till they are golden brown and keep aside. Heat 3 tablespoons of mustard oil in a kadai. To that add 1 stick cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, 1 green cardamom and 1 bay leaf. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar on the side and cook till the sugar caramelizes and the garam masalas are roasted. Then add 1 1/2 thin sliced onions. Saute till the onions turn golden brown. Add the prepared paste. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri Red Chilli powder and half teaspoon Garam Masala. Mix and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. After the color of the masala changes like this has turned golden brown. Add 1 chopped tomato and salt as per taste. Mix well and cook till the tomato turns soft. This takes around 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 500 grams of mutton. Mix well with the masala. Then add half an onion chopped and 3 slit green chillies. Give everything a good mix. Saute and cook the mutton till the color and the texture changes. First cook without covering for 5 to 7 minutes. After 7 to 8 minutes, cover in between and cook. So basically we need to release the water from mutton and get it dried up. After all the water is released and dried up, the color and texture has changed. It took around 20 minutes. Then add the fried potatoes and mix. Add around 3 cups of hot water. Give it a good mix. Cover and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Check in between and add hot water if needed, because if all the water dried up then the mutton gets stuck in the bottom. So after 25 minutes of boiling, our gravy looks so beautiful and mutton is perfectly cooked. Finally add 1 teaspoon of garam masala and few chopped coriander leaves and give it a mix. Our mutton is ready. Turn off the heat. So to make the chutney, take 1/4 cup of curd in a bowl. To that add 1 teaspoon of mango pickle without the mango pieces, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, chopped onion, green chilli and coriander leaves. Give everything a good mix and our chutney is ready. Now in a bowl take mudhi or murmura and then add chopped onions and coriander leaves. Add the gravy of the mutton curry. Mix everything well and then serve in a plate with lemon and chillies. I have used a sal plate here. You can serve it in normal plate. In typical street side shops they serve it like so. add some save also on top. I have also served the mutton and the chutney in separate bowls. You can eat it with the mutton and the chutney, and this tastes so good. This is so different and unique and tastes super amazing. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.